Co na vás čeká zítra?
Now, vzbudit se, this means to wake up. Last week I talked about probudit se. Probudit se means to wake up too. There is a slight difference though. Vzbudit se means that your body wake up. You're not asleep anymore. Probudit se is very similar, but it might mean that you are fully awake. Probudit se. Remember, pro means that something is fully done in some of the functions, like this one, probudit se, to be fully awake. Vzbudit se means to wake up, but maybe your brain is not fully awake. So we could say that this is the first stage. Nejdříve se vzbudím, first I wake up, potom se probudím, and then I fully wake up. A potom vstanu, and then I get up. Až se vzbudíš, zavolej mi. Call me when you wake up. Až se vzbudíš, zavolej mi. So that means maybe the first thing you do after you wake up, just call me. You open your eyes and you call me. Zavolej mi, až se vzbudíš. You could also use this without the se part. You could also say vzbuď mě. Wake me up. Vzbuď mě. Here's one great example where you would also feel the difference. If you want to say that coffee wakes you up in the morning, for instance, you would use probudit. Ráno mě probudí jedině káva. Only coffee wakes me up in the morning. Ráno mě probudí jedině káva. Doesn't mean that the coffee says, hey, wake up from your dream. It's the second stage. The first stage would be that somebody or something, an alarm clock, wakes you up.